Oh.
Hello? Hi, 6H.
Oh, you doing wrong.
6H.
Oh, come on. I can't do it, I see.
Oh, I have to give him the money?
No, wait, oh.
No, I just I'm not drunk
Oh, I
enough
give
not
him
to have
money.
hearing.
Oh, yeah.
There should be a hiding place. This is gonna look too obvious that it's a
Yeah, you go
show.
over there, you go over there.
What, me?
Yeah. You can't put my flash.
How long does this go for? Does it go?
What you want.
Oh, good.
Make sure, go like over to the side.
I'm trying. I can't because of the wall. You know, I can see the doorway. You want to see his face, right? Is it like really dark in here? Let's make it really dark in here. I'm just gonna be like, this. Wait, okay.
Babe, it's a door. Shut up! What do you mean? It's our food. Who is it? Hi. My wife's gonna come. Don't look at her though. Is he looking at you? I'm looking at his friend. 32? Is he looking at you? She's gonna kill me.
It's this way. He's dropping menus.
I thought she was gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me.
Oh, let's get him inside, Daniel.
Go, go, go. I gotta get it on.
Come take a picture. Look.
Can you take a picture of that?
Take a picture. Come on. Come inside.
Come in, come in.
No, here, look, take a picture.
It's like these fucking lunatics.
Take a picture.
She's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me.
He saw me around the corner, ran up to the roof. I went to the roof and I was like, what am I doing up here?